Good afternoon, ladies. I'm recording this for the people who weren't able to come to class today. Today is, are we here? There we are, January 8th in 2025. So there are a few things that I want to make sure you understand. Number one, what we're going to do in class is we're going to shadow talk this article. So after I've done this explanation, we're going to do some shadow talking with this. And at the same time, there's some Quizlet material for the textbook vocabulary for units 11 and 12. Now, we're probably not going to do anything with this in this class. We might, but probably not. But in any case, I expect that you're going to study this because it's the material in here is going to be in the Moodle test. Okay, so please make sure you study that on your own. You also have reflection number 12 on this video about critical thinking. And I want you to watch it and then explain three things that you learned from this video about critical thinking. So watch the video, write your answer on a piece of paper, and then send that up to this assignment. Okay. Now, there's this assignment that will be given to you next week. So next week on January 15th, we have an assignment called a walking video. And a walking video is something that probably none of you have ever done before. So I want to make sure that you understand. So what I did was at the very beginning of this class, right up here at the top, okay, where it explains all of the general information, I actually made two videos about walking videos. You have to wait for this. The Moodle is loading very slowly. So here it is. This is a sample walking video. This is what a walking video looks like. And this is me describing what I expect you to do in a walking video. Also, if you want a little more information, this is a PDF about what is important in a walking video. Okay. So for those of you who have never seen it before, basically, I want you to take your cell phone and I want you to use it to record a video of yourself talking and walking at the same time. So it will look a little bit like this. So let's take a quick look at this video here. So I'm going to turn down the sound on that, but you can see that I'm talking. I'm using my old headphones. Now I have wireless headphones. So either one, whatever you want to do, or you don't want to use headphones, that's fine too. But hold the phone so that then I can see your face. I can see the background. I'll show you how to hold the phone properly. There's a specific angle that you want to hold it at. Hold your arm out and try to show me gestures as you're speaking. It's also important that you do not try to memorize any kind of speech for this. I don't want a speech. I want you to tell me what you're thinking as you're walking without any notes, without any speeches, without anything that's been too practiced. I want you to think about and prepare what you're going to say, but I want to hear your natural English. Okay, so that's what it looks like. If you have time, please watch that video. This is a video of me talking about the important points of what makes a good walking video. And this is what will probably explain it in another way so that you understand the best way to get the best grade on that. You're going to do two walking videos, okay? One will be on the 15th of January. That'll be due on the 20th, I believe. No, that'll be due on the 12th. Okay. Oh, no, wait. No, that can't be on the 12th. Okay. I'll adjust that time. But there's a walking video number 1 and a walking video number 2. And you're going to have 2 of these assignments 2 weeks in a row. Okay. Otherwise, yeah. So try to take a look at those videos while you're in class. There's still time next week when I give you the actual assignment to make sure that you understand. And if you have any questions, please contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. And otherwise, yeah, thanks very much. Talk to you soon.